Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to talk to you about what's new with smart window tints and films. Again, thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. These products are part of our cloud and hardware automation. They are compatible with all these great applications. Simply turn it on by voice, by switch, or by phone. And remember, we test all of our great films against 7 of the top competitors. And again, we last up to 60% longer than our competitors. This product keeps you 24% cooler. Ever wonder if you're going to get a ticket by using this in your car?
I am not the dude.
Simply transition it on demand. Feel free to choose the color, black, gray, or white. Use it in your RV. Introducing to you our new ballistics film. Use it in your car or your business to keep out those criminals. One of our favorite additions is our showroom glass. Use it at your business to flag down those customers from far away or up close. Get that image out. Another great addition we use this for is for your office space. Keep yourself cooler, and also feel free to put advertising on it. Great for windows and doors. A lot of people love to use it in the hotel room. Or how about that bathroom? Another great feature is for those operating rooms. Get that privacy in that recovery room after that surgery. And remember, I cannot stress enough to all you, our products are tested against everyone else and we last 60% longer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Brand new videos coming to you every single week. Make it a great day.